When conducting thematic analysis of very large datasets, such as thousands or even millions of mobile app reviews, software like ATLAS.ti can be extremely useful, but it should be positioned as a support tool rather than a replacement for research or interpretation. Because the rigor of qualitative thematic analysis ultimately depends on analytic decisions made by the researcher rather than the volume of data processed. ATLAS.ti is well suited to handling bulk textual data, as it allows you to import large corpora, organize documents into manageable groups, apply code systematically, retrieve coded segments efficiently, and visualize relationships between themes, which makes it practically feasible to work with app reviews at scale while preserving transparency in your analytic process. However, importing millions of reviews does not automatically mean you must code every single entry manually. From a methodological standpoint, qualitative research prioritizes depth and meaning over exhaustive coverage, so it is often more rigorous to use a carefully justified sampling strategy to ensure representativeness while keeping the dataset analytically manageable. Regarding the use of automated features, it is methodologically sound to combine automated tools with researcher-driven coding, provided that automation is used as an exploratory aid rather than as the final analytic authority. For example, you can use word frequency queries, co-occurrence tools, sentiment clustering, or AI-assisted suggestions within ATLAS.ti to identify preliminary patterns, recurring terms, or potential thematic clusters. But the generation, refinement, naming, and interpretation of themes should remain grounded in your theoretical framework and iterative reading of the data. This hybrid approach aligns with contemporary qualitative methodology, where computational assistance enhances efficiency without compromising epistemological integrity, as long as you clearly document your analytic steps, justify your decisions, and demonstrate reflexivity about how themes were constructed. To ensure validity when working with extensive review data, first, clearly define your research questions and analytic framework. Second, conduct an initial pilot coding phase. Third, apply iterative coding cycles. Fourth, maintain an audit trail within ATLAS.ti. Fifth, consider inter-coder reliability or peer debriefing if your methodology allows for it. And finally, triangulate findings by comparing themes across app categories, rating levels, or time periods to strengthen credibility. By combining thoughtful sampling, systematic use of ATLAS.ti's organizational and query tools, transparent documentation, and sustained researcher engagement with the data, you can maintain academic rigor while managing large-scale app review datasets effectively, ensuring that your thematic analysis remains both methodologically sound and substantively meaningful.